JBM Auto Limited. Talking about the financial position of the company, the long-term prospects of the company looks very healthy as compared to the short-term prospects, which I want the listeners and the members of the investor community to be cautious. On the other side, over the years, the profitability of the company has declined, resulting in decreased return on investment for the existing shareholders. Talking further about the shareholding in the company, the promoters' ownership in the company look very confident towards their company and its functioning. But I do not see any recognized mutual fund house or any recognized foreign portfolio investor or any recognized individual investor holding any share, any stake in this company. As on today, 10th November 2021, the share of the company is trading at rupees 719 on Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange in India, which is very overvalued, and retail investors must be cautious in paying too much for this company stock as it is delivering poor return already for the existing shareholders, considering over a period of time. Moreover, after learning more about this company in a little bit more in detail, I could understand that this company and its business operation run within a group, more like Asian Hotel East Company and Brightcom Group. I would like to conclude that maybe in time to come ahead, if the company stock decreases in value to a vast magnitude, one can again go through its fundamental to make decision in investing in its stock. But till that time, I would personally stay away and not invest in this stock at this price, even for a long term investment. Thank you so much for listening. I would request the listeners to do share their own individual valuable comments on this company, which will collectively help all the members of the investor community to make a better informed decision to invest or not in this company stock. Thank you so much.